The Aksai Huidong New Energy solar farm has reached a significant milestone as it completed its panel field, consisting of an impressive 11,960 heliostats. Located in Aksai Kazakh Autonomous County in northwest China's Gansu province, this cutting-edge project sets itself apart by employing Chinese-initiated pentagonal heliostats, each weighing up to 1.2 tons and covering 48 square meters, to receive focused sunlight through the tower. Altogether, the project boasts a substantial 750 megawatts installed gross capacity, including 110 megawatts of solar thermal power and 640 megawatts of photovoltaic power.